This is going to be a quick little video of the second firework compound we have for this year. We're going to have some more, obviously, but this is the code red by Vault Fireworks. So, well, as you can see, it's like a cake box, really. Got full 36 shots cake in it. And this one, 1.4 grams there. Anything on the other side? There's better information here. So as you can see, just on there. But I tell you what, it must have been stored somewhere for quite a long time, because it's sort of bits of crap on the information leaflet on here. Only 8 meters for a compound. That's a bit crazy, that is. I'd probably recommend at least 15 to 20 meters from here. But yeah, some of the information there. Wonder if you can find the year this one was made, because a lot of the other fireworks we have this year are from 2024, whereas last year we had some fireworks which are a couple of years old, but most of the ones we have this year are made, or were made this year. But I'm just going to open it up. Let's just turn on this side a little bit. There you go. So, we've got these plastic bags here. It's all taped together. If I just rip it. Yeah, he's already holding this. So yeah, there you go. So that's the 4 cakes here. I don't know whether they're not massive tubes. So about, I think these are 20 mils. Yeah, so that's the Vault Code Red firework compound. So this one is 25 mil. Just close the lid like that. So there you go, the Vault firework compound, Code Red. And just a quick one. If hopefully this gets a fair few views, but hopefully if you guys could recommend me some good firework websites down below, because we're struggling to find some which sell loads of Vault, and we need a few more Vault cakes because Vault are very good. Fireworks Crazy have got a few. Galactic Fireworks only had this and the colour crackles one, or colour gold. But apart from that, these were the only 2. I'm hoping the range this year has a few more Vaults, but if not, then might have to look for others. But if you could comment down below good firework websites other than Fireworks Crazy and Galactic Fireworks, that would help. Thanks for watching. I'll do a little review on the other firework compound later on.